Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. In today's video, we are going to make tasty omelette sandwich loaded with cheese and veggies. This is very easy to make dish that can serve as a meal or a snack. Now before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. To make the omelette sandwich, first crack 4 eggs into a bowl. You can add any seasoning of your choice to the eggs. I am going with plain salt, chili powder and garam masala powder. I have added 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. You can always adjust the level of spice as per your taste in this omelette. Now beat the eggs well with a whisk or a fork until the yellows combine well with the whites. This will take not more than 2 minutes. After beating the eggs well, now let's start making our omelette sandwich. For that, heat up a frying pan on medium heat. Grease the pan well with vegetable oil. If you want to use butter or desi ghee, you can use them as well in this recipe. If you are using butter, always keep the flame on low, otherwise the butter may get burnt. After greasing the pan, pour half of the egg mixture onto the frying pan. With this recipe, you will be able to make 4 servings of sandwich. So I am using half of the mixture to make the first set. Cook the eggs on medium flame until the base of the eggs is a little bit cooked and the top is a little raw. After that, take 2 slices of bread and place them on the omelette as I am showing you. You can dip the bread first in the raw egg and then flip it so that it will have a coating of egg on the other side as well. After placing the bread slices on half cooked eggs, let the omelette cook completely. It will take not more than 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. When the omelette is completely cooked, take a large spatula and swiftly turn it to the other side and cook it from the other side as well. Use the spatula to tuck the omelette sides onto the bread. The bread should be on lower side while you are doing this. After tucking the omelette in, load one of the bread slices with grated cheese. You can use any variety of cheese that you like. Mozzarella cheese works well with this recipe. Place some finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped capsicum or any other vegetable of your choice. Or you can even use some black olives or green olives or macaroni, pasta, anything that you like. Sprinkle any seasoning that you like on top of the veggies. I am using plain salt and chili powder as seasoning. After you are done loading your sandwich with all the goodies, fold the empty bread on top of the loaded bread and remove the sandwich from the frying pan. You may gently press down on the bread, but don't overdo it. Serve this hot as it is or with some ketchup or cheese dips or anything that you like. This sandwich is very tasty. It has layers and layers of goodness. Loaded with eggs, cheese and veggies, it makes up for a very hearty meal. Before serving, cut the breads diagonally as I am showing you. As I have said, this recipe makes up for 4 servings. Here I have made 4 sandwiches that are very delicious. Do try this very tasty recipe and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.